Hello and welcome to this special show. HDFC ERGO General Insurance presents a decade of impact, the legacy of Junior Insurance Quiz in partnership with Times Network. Spreading awareness about insurance is the need of the hour, as can be seen by IRDAI's mission of Insurance for All by 2047. To talk to us about this mission, about the importance of insurance in India and the steps being taken by them, I am joined by the Executive Director of HDFC ERGO General Insurance Company, Parthanil Ghosh. Thank you so much, sir, for talking to us today. So just to begin with, I want to understand from you, 10th year of this junior insurance quiz. So how's the excitement, how's the josh, and can you take us through these years?
We are extremely excited. First of all, the baby which we started in 2016 is attaining 2-digit age, and very soon it will become a teen. And on that note, when we started, and we are a 23-year-old company, Anurag, you know, and we started this initiative in 2016. One of the idea of doing this is that in India, the insurance penetration is very low. It is around 1% vis-a-vis world's average of 4.2% of GDP. On the other hand, what we understood that because of the awareness, in India, which has almost 15 lakh schools, one of the highest in the world. So what best way to manage this entire thing or spread awareness, but by holding to the very, very young minds whom we believe, right, the real architect of modern India. So going to 2016, we actually started with a few schools only in Bombay. And those number of schools, that thing what we started in 2016, now this year almost 3,600 schools registered across India for this junior quiz. We reached out to 25 lakh students in the country, 25 lakh. And out of this, 800 government schools participated and 700 schools from the vernacular medium. So it is not only restricted to the urban, but it is actually going beyond urban and real Bharat that we talk about.
So when you started 10 years back, so what was the genesis and vision behind this quiz competition?
See, if we look to today's IRDAI's vision, the mantra of 3A, awareness, affordability and accessibility, we felt that awareness, if you have to really create the awareness, we have to start at a very, very young age with the students of this country, the youth of this country. Now, with that vision we started. Now, when we started that, then we said that how do we impart insurance education into the students? And you know that in our school education curriculum, insurance doesn't find a place for them to study. So then we started this to think that if we can educate these young minds, one, when they will become a decision maker after a few years, they will adopt insurance faster than their parents. And number two, through these students, we are also reaching out to the teachers who are decision makers and also to the parents of the students. So these thoughts were there when we started the quiz, the junior quiz. And actually this year also we started the senior quiz because we felt that not only juniors, we should graduate ourselves to seniors. Yes, they are also important.
Yes, sir. And sir, you just said that the importance of awareness among junior kids. So eventually when they will grow up, how it will completely change their perspective and the society at large will be helpful.
When these kids go to school, they learn lots of primary skills, right? And why we do it? At a very young age, if someone learns these skills, as they grow, as they become an adult, they will never forget those skills. Now, the particular thing in India that we do not have, that understanding of the risk and how to secure the risk. Risk is everywhere, but financially you have to secure the risk. That understanding is not there. That's the reason we don't insure our health, we don't insure our home. Today there is so much of digital economy, but we don't insure against the cyber risks. So we believe that at the very, very young age, when they are in class 8, 9 or 10, they are getting the preview of insurance. They will actually not forget it. And when they grow at a particular decision making age after 18 or when they start earning, the first thing they will do, they will insure their home, they will insure their health, and they will secure not only themselves but also their family members.
And that will be helpful for country at the large also.
Of course, these are the people in India. 65% of the population are the Gen Zs and the millennials, and this number will continue to grow till 2030, 35. Yes, so these are the decision makers. They will change the face of modern India, where the economic losses from any catastrophic events is far more than the insurance losses, because the insurance penetration is very low.
Very low.
Look at the situation of health insurance. Only 6.5 crores of the population do have the individual health insurance. So in order to increase it and to allow people to get the modern treatment, the only way is to insure. Now, who will do it? If these young minds, when they will be start earning, they should be taking this decision to insure themselves, because they learnt it at the 8, 9, 10 and got aware and got completely exposed for the risk and the mitigation of the risk that the insurance provides.
Personally, I am also very much excited, because we grown up seeing other quiz competition, and when we were growing up, these kind of competition were not there. So I would wish that more and more number of junior students participate and get awareness about insurance and other financial products.
Yes, absolutely. I think when we talk about various kinds of education, this education on insurance, on risk mitigation has to be a part at the school curriculum. While we await for it, I am pretty sure the government and the other stakeholders are working on it and will do something. But we felt as a part of HDFC ERGO, when we started it, our entire dream or entire aspiration is to give security to the citizens of the country, wherever we are. And today we are in almost 645 districts in the country. And with that, with these kind of quiz, with kind of awareness, we believe that the future of the country is getting more secure.
Future of the country is getting more secure. So I completely agree with you. But in this 10th edition, what different viewers and participants can expect? How different this would be, because a 10th edition you are celebrating this time.
So I believe the 10th edition will become more and more inclusive. Secondly, the new formats, regional rounds, and of course the nail-biting finale. And of course the grand finale live will be on HDFC ERGO's YouTube channel on 23rd September 2025.
Okay, 23rd September 2025. So that's a date to remember. Sir, now time for a short break. But as you got a new office, and after the break, we will do a walk the talk in your office premises. So time for a short break. We'll be right back. Welcome back after the break. We have with us Parthanil Ghosh of HDFC ERGO, sir. Sir, we can see that you got a new big office recently.
Yes.
Shifted, I guess.
We shifted in March. Actually, this office was there from 2012-13. This is our office. All our.
But your head office shifted now, and now just adjacent to this office, you got a rights of metro station also. And this year you started a quiz competition for seniors also. So many new initiatives this year, or new start this year.
Yes, first of all, we are very happy because we have come within our larger set of colleagues, and they are also very happy most probably to have us. So we can go with them, directly discuss. Number two, there is an Airport Road metro station. We have rebranded at HDFC ERGO Airport Road metro station.
Okay.
There is a second. The third one, as you said, that we started the senior quiz, insurance quiz this year. So these are the three things we started. But apart from that, for the city of Mumbai, for our city of Mumbai, we also did something else.
Okay.
So we, in collaboration with IIT Bombay, we have an innovation lab set up with IIT Bombay.
Okay.
And with them, we have started to do a urban flood mapping for Mumbai. And in this monsoon, lots of citizens of Mumbai, they have been updating it. They have been seeing whether there is a waterlogging in their area. So for the city of Mumbai, HDFC ERGO Airport Road Metro Station and urban flood mapping for Mumbai.
So your team is contributing with IIT Bombay, means how it's working.
So in IIT Bombay, we have a collaboration agreement to have an innovation lab. It is known as HEIITB Innovation Lab within their Powai campus, and it is we are now collaborating for 10 different projects, which is nothing to do with insurance, but with citizen issues like an urban flood mapping, to develop needleless syringe, to have a mental health, to cure mental health, a platform, digital platform, and so many other innovations we are driving through IIT Bombay HDFC ERGO Innovation Lab.
So, sir, your focus, I can understand that more and more on awareness and innovation. So, eventually it will help society at large.
Yes, anyway, the insurance business is to support the society at large. This is the most important social business of our times. That is there. But we also understand in India, you have to have a scale, and thereby we are digitally empowered as a digital insurer of scale. And on the other side, if you don't bring innovation of today, how do I keep my cost lower? At the same time, I scale and I go to the farthest corner of India, whether it's a northeast, south, or north or west.
Okay. So, you said the cost, you want to bring down the cost. So, with awareness and with the combination of awareness and education and technology, do you think that cost can bring down and premiums can be made affordable?
That is our objective, to bring newest innovation in products and also in the delivery mechanism, whether it's a claim servicing, policy issuance, underwriting. Thereby we can keep the pricing absolutely at the right level, at the affordable level, so that more and more people can join the insurance pool, improve the insurance penetration from 1% of GDP to the higher levels.
Okay. Sir, means for awareness, you have started couple of good initiative like junior quiz, senior quiz, then other sort of awareness also. So what more can be done according to you to create awareness among masses?
So one of the things that we see, apart from whatever we are doing, that when someone is trying to get an advice on insurance, they do not know where to go. There are individual advisors. So what we have started to put now, today we have put 16,000 agents on the Google platform, where each of them have their own website, and anyone coming to the net can try to find out advisor near me. So they have their website, the general citizens can call them up and can get insurance advice from them. So we have digitally empowered 16,000 agents across the country.
Okay.
So that is helping their livelihood. But on a larger basis, the general citizens who doesn't have direct access to any intermediary, they should have. We have so many advisors, brokers and other intermediaries, but to choose their intermediaries, see their ratings on the net, and to take the right policy from HDFC ERGO.
So how is the response of this initiative?
Response is fantastic, Anurag, and we will talk about it maybe a few months later on the full blown. But when we speak to these advisors across the country, they are super happy, because not only they are getting customers of today, but they know that HDFC ERGO is securing their livelihood of the future, because they are getting ready for the Gen Zs who may or may not be following the same distribution pattern and would like to go to the net and online to look for the advisors.
Okay, so in 23 years of HDFC ERGO journey, according to you, what more can be done to increase insurance penetration? Because you got experience, you got customers, you got agents, you got all the type of experience. So according to you, still we are at 1%, and due to few challenges, we are not able to overcome the global average of insurance penetration. So what more can be done to increase our penetration, and what are the challenges according to you in increasing the insurance penetration?
I think there are Three, four different things I should talk about. The first thing is the trust element. The trust element of the general citizens on the insurance companies.
Okay.
So that the regulator and the government is trying to solve by putting these master circulars on how we should service the customers or the policyholders. For us, it is not an issue. We have one of the lowest reputation rate in the market. Whenever we go and speak to the customers, they say we are the best. The second one is to have innovative products. Products hyper personalized. What will be your
Single
help?
click.
Single click and hyper personalized. Some policy which is good for me may not be good for you.
Okay.
So I need to differentiate by a data driven policy to give you the right set of product which you require and not I provide you. That is the second. And third, in India, the affordability is a big issue. So I have to keep the premium at a very, very affordable level so that people can afford it, they can take it, and of course, to get the claims.
Okay, and sir, you spoke about the affordability. So, with the help of tech, we can bring that affordability which is required. And are you working on it, or HDFC Ergo is working on it with tech to have that kind of affordability?
Yes, I think we were one of the first companies to adopt AI in order to find out what are the fraudulent claims. Today we use neural networks to differentiate between a good customer and a fraudulent customers. Because you know that any fraud claim that we go on paying, what it happens that our good customer and genuine customers are gets burdened. So that is one. Secondly, on the claim servicing on motor, we use extensively the visual computing through which AI we see that which part is damaged, which parts need to be repaired, which parts to be replaced. And in all our activities, whether policy processing, whether on our portal, we use AI extensively to reduce our cost of service, but more than cost of service, to give customers a seamless experience. So that whether to buy a policy or even to service a claim, so they have no friction, so that the trust quotient on the insurers go up, because that is a key. As soon as the general customers start feeling that I have bought a policy, and in the event of a very, very unfortunate incident, my financial indemnification will be completed by this insurance company, they will buy the product.
Okay.
So we are working towards it. When we say that claim servicing is good, we are actually improving the trust quotient of the general customers towards HDFC Ergo and a larger basis to the insurance industry.
So, now we'll go to your newly branded metro station.
Anurag, that is HDFC Ergo Airport Road Metro Station.
Okay, HDFC.
Let's go there.
Okay, sir. Okay. HDFC Ergo Airport Road Metro Station. So we can see branding all around. You're talking about cyber insurance, you're talking about motor insurance. So
3.2 crore of our happy customers.
3.2 crore happy customers. So what message you want to give through this branding?
Security is important. Your security and what the products that we provide on insurance. Very important is also this, how you get in touch with the insurance company, with HDFC Ergo, beyond insurance. So this is our Here app.
Okay.
And if you see that we have 4 ecosystems for health, anything to do with health, to check your BMI, you want to control your diabetes, there is a diabetes center of excellence, you want to see hospital cost, that also you can do. There is a pet section, very interesting. People can put up their pet's photo, they can know that where is the spa, where they can go for grooming, where they can go for vaccination, and also of course can buy a pet insurance. Similarly for auto, what number of challans you have.
Okay.
This is on one app, you can go, you can put your vehicle number and you can know. You need not to be a HDFC Ergo customer.
Okay, so if I am not having a HDFC Ergo policy, then
This
also
is for the Indian citizens.
Okay.
Today we have 80 lakh downloads.
Okay.
60% of them do not have any HDFC Ergo policy. They come and enjoy and increase that trust quotient on insurance.
Okay. And sir, other than that, what other services also you are giving on this here app?
So any policyholder can buy a policy, track, file a claim, track a claim, renew a policy, do your KYC.
Okay.
Also this cyber, this is the latest thing, right? So I can know that what is my cyber risk, whether my email has been compromised. So that report you can also get from there.
Okay. And so we can see branding of HDFC ERGO over this station. I guess recently only you took branding rights of this station.
Yes, we just launched it 2 weeks back. The station, of course, has our messages, our products, whatever services we provide for the benefit of the customers. Also, importantly, if you see this pillar,
Okay.
this
What
all
message
this pillar,
you are trying to
this
give?
is our city of Mumbai.
Okay.
The main icons of the city of Mumbai, whether it's a local train or metro train, you can see the bus, the gateway of India. So it also captures the mood of our city of Mumbai.
Okay, city of Mumbai, sir. Final question I want to ask you: what message you want to give to policy holders, your policy holders also, and those who want to come under the insurance, but because of some reasons they are unable to get their insurance coverage?
Keep insurance requirement, health insurance firstly, at the top of your priority. This will be required if an event, unfortunate event of you or your family member has to get a treatment. But larger theme is trust the insurance companies in India. They are there to serve you at the time of your need. We have seen during COVID how the insurers came forward and helped the citizens. The same thing we all are doing. So have the trust, put the priority of having an insurance into your portfolio at a very, very young age.
Very young age.
Very
it's
young.
beneficial.
Beneficial. You have to protect, because whatever financial security you are doing, you should not fritter it away for your hospital cost, healthcare cost, or even we are using all kinds of e-commerce platforms, right? Whether for buy anything to order foods, we are exposed to a huge risk called cyber risk. So protect yourself. All protection is available. Do it, take that priority, and have trust.
Have trust.
And at the same time, give feedback to us, give suggestions, so that we can improve our offerings.
So you really work on feedbacks, means how is your feedback mechanism works?
One feedback mechanism that works is on our Bima Bharosa portal and to our entire platform. We don't take only complaint as a complaint, but any comment that comes, we discuss is absolutely at the senior management level. On the top of it, both me and all my senior colleagues, we go to the farthest corner of the country, speak to the employees, speak to customers, speak to channel partners to get the first-hand information about their suggestion how to improve and make a better HDFC ERGO.
Thank you so much, sir. Pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, Anurag.
So that's it in this special edition of our show. Stay protected, stay informed, stay tuned to ET Now.